many patients ask me about what type of implant are you going to put, doctor. Now there are some things which are there in this articulation. There is one called as cemented implant, in which both the stem and the cup is cemented. Second implant, which is known as the uncimented, which is in nowadays and have got a lot of studies supporting the data of its longevity. It goes in without the cement, and there is osteointegration. That means the bone engrows these small little pores, and then it gets so solid that it will not move for the rest of the life of the implant. So is the cup. Now most of the failures occur because of the loosening of the cup, and in studies it has been found that if we do the cup uncemented, then the longevity of the implant is improved quite a lot. So nowadays cemented is preferred in patients who have less needs, less demands, and hybrid is mostly needed or done in which the cup is uncemented and the stem is cemented. Now we come to the articulation. This ball is made up of metal and this is plastic. Other type of articulation which are there, this ball can be made up of ceramic, as in the ceramic utensils which you must have used. It is said to be frictionless and very hard material, but a little brittle. And this articulation could be metal, plastic or ceramic. So you may have metal on plastic, metal on metal, ceramic on plastic, or ceramic on ceramic. So these kind of articulation are there, and they have variable longevity. The most sought after or which is done is metal on highly cross-linked poly, and which is working fine and has a long-term data also of it. So we hope success. From this video we shall be able to educate our viewers and give them the best of services as far as human being could. Thank you.